Student, today we will see properties of determinant. In that, we will see property number 1. Suppose we have a determinant of order 3, that is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Now let us call the determinant is delta. For this determinant of order 3, we know that taking first element, ignore the first row and first column, that is B2 C3 minus C2 B3 with negative sign minus B1 A2 C3 minus C2 A3 plus C1. Ignore the first row and third column, that is A2 B3 minus B2 A3. Now I can expand this expression, that is A1 B2 C3 minus A1 C2 B3 minus B1 A2 C3 minus into minus is plus B1 C2 A3 plus C1 A2 B3 minus C1 B2 A3. I will take this equation number 1. Now let us interchanging the rows and column of the determinant. Now, okay, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Now I will call this determinant is delta 1 is equal to A1, ignore the first column and first row, B2 C3 minus C2 B3 with negative sign, ignore the second column and first row, consider remaining elements, B3 plus A3, ignore the third column and first row, that is B1 C2 minus C1 B2. Now expand this expression, A1 B2 C3 minus A1 C2 B3 minus A2 B1 C3 plus A2 C1 B3 plus A3 B1 C2 minus A3 C1 B2. I will call this equation number 2. Now I compare equation 1 and 2. We get, here you can see in equation 1 A1 B2 C3, here also A1 B2 C3 is same, here minus A1 C2 B3, A1 C2 B3, next A2 B1 C3, next A2 C1 B3 same, next A3 C1 B2 is same, here again we left with A3 B1 C2 is same. All the terms are exactly same. So this determinant is same. So hence we can write delta is equal to delta delta 1 and the resulting determinant has the same value. Student, let us see property 1 in briefly. Suppose we have a determinant of order 3. We know that how to expand it, and after expanding we got the equation number 1. Then interchanging the rows and column of determinant, row 1 become column 1, row 2 become column 2, and row 3 become column 3. We need after that we need to, after expanding we got the equation number 2. We need to compare equation 1 and 2. All terms are exactly same. Here you can see a1 equation 1 a1 b2 c3 and a1 b2 c3 is same, and then minus a1 c2 b3 minus a1, all the elements are exactly same and the resulting determinant have the same value. Hence we proved the delta is equal to delta 1. This complete our first property. Now we will see one example on property number 1. Let delta is equal to 1 2 3 4 is equal to 4 into 1 is 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6 is equal to 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Now we got the delta is equal to minus 2. Now I interchange the rows and column, that is 1 2 3 4 is equal to 4 minus 6, delta 1 is equal to minus 2. Here you can see we got the delta 1 is equal to minus 2 and delta 1 is equal to minus 2. Therefore delta is equal to delta 1. Hence we proved the first property.